The far future with computers. What will happen to humans when computers take over? Written by me, Hannele Tervola. Computers develop quickly and influence life hugely. Now, year 2010, it seems inevitable that the future of the humankind will be hugely influenced by the development and use of computers and other technological devices. Even already now, technology is one of the biggest elements of modern city life, and in the future its effect will be much greater. Already now, the logic of ordinary people is influenced by their views of what computer logic and the hard rationality used in developing computers say about things. If those neglect feelings, so will humans do. If those will not see the point in traditional ways and values, neither will the modern humans build their future on them. So it matters enormously to take a closer look at computer logic and at the hard machine-like rationality. Firstly, it matters because we need to know what the future computers will be like, since they will most likely one day rule the world, and that day will be soon. And secondly, we need it in this modern age in order to be able to understand how the modern humans think. Already now there are very many different kinds of machines. As computers develop, there will be even more possibilities. So the only thing determining what the future computers will be like is what is useful and what is not. For a computer, abstract things are easier than practical. While humans start from the complexity of natural life in a natural living environment, according to the human nature, most computers start from mathematics. So it's worth taking a look about how these two points of view connect. It is a thing so important that it should be taught to people, since all cannot think it through by themselves. So let's start from the computer's view and see how it leads toward the more familiar, ages-old human ways to think. The present-day computers make calculations of a mathematical kind. When one adds maps to that, one approaches the scientific method, making concretical mechanical kinds of observations of the multitude of phenomena in the world. That is what the measuring equipments of science do. So when computers soon will be able to interpret those measurements, they will be using something much like the scientific method. And since the scientific picture of the world is mechanical and easy to put to computers compared to the ordinary socially colored observations of the everyday life, science will be the way future computers understand the world. And since science has already proven its usefulness as a form of objective understanding of the world, it is very likely that the following computer generations will not lose the good sides of the scientific view, even though they will probably learn some other useful skills too. Likewise, we can estimate that whatever is the most useful option in anything will not be likely to drop away as computers develop further, but will stay as and be a solid ground for us humans to understand some sides of what the future computers will do and how will they affect the human world. It generally makes sense that if something is very useful compared to other options, one ought to use it in deciding about things. So across time, as computers will develop in capacity and abilities, it is likely that they will take over many areas of human life, take care of the jobs that humans used to work in. In a sense, computers have then taken control of those things. And since computer minds develop while human brain structure stays fixed or deteriorate since evolution does not work properly in this present world situation. There will be most likely soon come time when the most intelligent ones are computers, and so in a short while we will have computers ruling. I do not know how many tens of years this will take, but probably so few that it makes sense to count them just in tens of years. What will happen then? That is the question that this text seeks to answer. Most of all, we want to know what will happen to humans and to the living kind.